Hello everyone. Welcome to Nerd Herd Plays Dungeons and Dragons, where we play Curse of Strahd, a 5e D&D campaign. Anyway, for this episode, this is still a special episode. We will be continuing our story since the last. This is technically still episode 18.5, Into the Werewolf's Den. So for today's episode, we own. By the way, I am your dungeon master for today, and for this um, campaign only. Hopefully, I am uh, Drew, and I am the usual party death cleric, but only for this campaign. Yeah, I'm going to be the dungeon master for Curse of Strahd. So anyway, for this episode, we still have two players. So one is played by EJ. His character's name is Tanuki, who is a beast hide shifter, who is also a blood hunter, Order of the Ghost Slayers. He is currently level 6. And the other is a recurring character, which is Gian. He's been away for a while. Apparently, he came back suddenly out of the mists. His player character is Silvus, who is a he's a wood elf, and he is also a ranger, Swarmkeeper Conclave. So they both met in the forest as Tanuki was headed towards the werewolf den. He was planning to probably find a reason why um, Esmeralda de Avenir lost her head. No, not her head. She lost her leg. So Esmeralda de Avenir technically tasked the party to find the culprit that snatched off her leg for some reason. And for that, in exchange, the party will gain respect and possibly a new companion. So Tanuki, the whole party but Tanuki decided to take on the mission. So we only have two players for today because of that. At midnight, Tanuki went out in order to investigate the werewolf den. Uh, Along the way, he was able to save Silvus, who was actually kidnapped by two werewolves. And one of them was apparently a defector. And he actually told Tanuki and Silvus that there are two factions in the werewolf den. Although both factions steal children, they do bad things. They steal children from Valaki and Kresk. But thing is, one faction has more mercy than the other. So once one faction is Kirill, Kirill wants the children to kill each other, and the most powerful one, the remaining one, will become the werewolf and join their den. And as for the other one is Emil. Emil is more humane in a way that he would rather turn all the children into werewolves, thus increasing the size of their den. And yeah, so because of that, and apparently they also found out that Kirill's side of the den, they were called by Strahd for some reason. And yeah, maybe they are in Strahd's side. And they all went out as of the moment. So uh, both Tanuki and Silvus decided to enter the den safely without most of Kirill's henchmen. So as they entered there, they met the old de facto leader, which is Skenis. Skenis actually told them that they're really not pro Strahd, but only Kirill's group. And somehow, probably that's how Tanuki and Silvus started to side more on Emil's side. But thing is, Emil went missing for some reason. Probably it's Kirill's doing. There, Tanuki also met Winsensha. Winsensha is the party healer who's been caring for a youngling named Kellen. Kellen, who is wearing monk robes, same as the monk robes that Maki wears, which is ill meter of origin. And when Sensha told Tanuki that if they were to leave the den, she asked them to take Kellen with them, uh, to give Kellen a better life. When Sensha decided to take care of the child because it reminded her of her son who died before. And she asked Tanuki if possible for him to kill or take care of that guy who killed her child. And if in exchange she'd be willing to resurrect the hound, the dead hound, the bag of bones that Tanuki's been carrying since Death House, who is a dog, the dog of the Durst family, in the hopes of a new pet companion. And Tanuki agreed. And moving on, they met Zulika. Zulika, who is the uh, wife of Emil. Zulika is actually quite sad that Emil is missing, and she's finding a way in order for Emil to return to their den if he's still alive somehow. But out of nowhere, a sudden high pitched whistle starts to emanate. And Zulika asked the party that if you are really with me, then let's fight to the death. And this is where the episode begins, which is most likely a battle episode. So I hope you enjoy. And by the way, for those who haven't caught up with our story, please do watch our other videos. So we have a playlist in our Nerd Herd YouTube channel. And to help us, please like, subscribe, and follow our account. So I hope you enjoy, and here goes. Zulika says, they've clearly found out. They found out. Prepare yourselves. Yeah. Kindly roll initiative, everyone. As a number of werewolves suddenly rushed inside the room. Kaya pa wala to, di ba? And they're like, intruders! Intruders! Okay na. Gamitin mo ano. I would like to give you one opportunity to say anything to Zulika before the battle begins.
So, do you want to join us?
Actually, Zulika, we will help you.
Make a persuasion check.
Wait, ha?
Yeah.
15 and 11.
Nice.
Add your persuasion. Don't forget to add it.
-1 pag yan.
15, 11,
Wait.
minus 1.
Team ko.
Okay, Zulika says, you clearly are with us, right?
Yes.
Let's fight to the death. Zulika at this point shifts into her werewolf form. She turns into a werewolf. And everybody roll for initiative.
Ano?
Okay, I will roll for initiative for me.
Pinagin ko.
20 ka pin.
20 ka pin to. Mga 13 ako. 13, then 19 mo.
Dili magka-horde na.
Okay. These werewolves say, we are compromised, their brethren. Attack them. And I will let one of them. Okay. One will Zulika. Wait, Zulika pa doon. Zulika is first in line. She moves forward towards this werewolf. 5. She goes towards the stairs and starts clawing at one of them. Sakto ba ni? Yeah. She will roll to attack. She uses 2 claw attacks at this werewolf. One does One hits, one does not hit, and then she will bite.
Tinatak lang.
Yeah, 3 attacks, 11 hits. So both bites and one claw attack hits. So she slices at one with a 1d4 plus 2, 5. And then she bites it
Seven.
with a 7. So
14.
12 damage, 5 plus 7.
Ay, pwede ito. Bro,
Yeah.
7 ang daan.
3 plus 2, and then, yeah. So it attacks the first one. 14 ako din, ano? Hindi, 5 to 12.
12. Ako tang 14.
Sorry. Mathing. Okay, so this wolf in front clearly takes damage. And then after Zulika, Tanuki, it's your turn.
I'll try to activate my Crimson Rite.
Okay, so you use that's bonus action, right?
Oh.
So you I think, is this the first time? No, I think Silvas already saw it before. You see Tanuki use his katana to slice his
Yeah.
palm, and then as blood comes out, the blood turns into what? Fire?
Yeah, fire.
Okay. The sword suddenly changes to fire, like
Crimson fire.
where is it?
I will roll D6 task.
So Tanuki is engulfed with flame as he casts Crimson Rites.
3.
Oh, so you add additional 3 to all your damage rolls. And what are you going to do for your movement? Are you going to move forward?
We'll move forward.
Where?
The other side.
This one?
Yeah.
Here.
15.
So you approach the stairs and try to attack one of the attach man sila tangan.
Kailan lang?
So that's it. So Tanuki will slice.
I'll try to flash.
Flash it.
Huli po. 2 plus Dex.
2.
Oh,
It does not hit. You slice it, and then the wolf suddenly moves back and still shocked by the flame sword that you're holding.
okay. Another one pa.
Yeah,
Okay.
last attack.
3.
3. Both attacks fail as you do that. So it's now the wolf's turn. It will attack Zulika. One attacks Zulika with a no, it does not hit. 9. No. This hits Zulika. The bite attack hits Zulika. Bite attack is 1d8 plus 1. 1 lang. What the hell? 1 plus 1 plus 2. 3. 3 damage to Zulika.
Silver, your chance.
Silver's turn now. It's Silver. Ay, no. It's not yet Silver's turn. The werewolf in front of you tries to claw you. Okay. So, 2 claw attacks. 19 hits. Second claw attack is 9 plus 4. 13 doesn't hit, right? Third attack is... Okay, doesn't hit. The bite doesn't hit. So, 1 claw attack against you, 1d4. You take 5 damage. Okay. So, that's it. So, that's its turn. How are you? Okay, pa.
Yes.
Okay, so it's Silvus' turn. Silvus, what do you do? So you see both of your allies move in different directions.
Well,
I will draw my short sword.
So free action.
I have a short bow.
Why don't you use your longbow?
Disadvantage.
Hindi lagi disadvantage. Ang longbow, disadvantage lang if you are very close, like 10 to 5 feet near.
Pero same ra gyapon siya if you're 15 feet away.
Comfortable. Ako, ano kayo? Ang line of fire, ano ba? Disadvantage.
Disadvantage ka because they are above. Unless you want to try to
Ang laki
elevate
ng angle.
or try to climb this.
So,
Sige, mag-climb ko.
Okay, so
Cool,
the
at-
rock in front of here clearly is a probably 15 feet tall crevice. You can roll an acrobatics check to try to traverse this rock.
Not 20.
Not 20. So you backflip on top of the rock like an elf you are, with no issue. You climb up the rock and now you are at advantage with them.
Then I use my normal arrow to attack the werewolf in the center.
Okay, so you're taking one werewolf each. Okay, so you attack the werewolf in the middle. Roll to damage. Roll to attack sorry.
D20, right?
Anong murag nabalin ako ang arrangement.
Ako mo dapat una.
Sige lang, let's follow this.
18.
Okay, go.
D20?
Hmm.
5
Plus
plus
attack bonus.
attack bonus.
Always tell me na kanang with attack bonus mo.
Wait.
plus 5.
Plus 5, 10.
You barely missed. So as you use your bow, you roll twice, right? It's advantage.
15 plus 5.
Okay, so with the 20, you hit the wolf in
1d6.
front of you. Yeah, 1d6. 1d6?
1d8. 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 D8 man.
D8 ang diamond.
D8. Ayan.
Use the diamond. The
Ah,
diamond.
sakto.
D8.
2.
2 plus
5.
2 plus 2 plus 2. 6.
Six.
6 damage. You hit its shoulder. It winces in pain. Like
Plus, gather swarm.
6, and then roll a d6 for the swarm.
D6. 2.
Talaga nito 6 plus 6, right? 6 plus 2, 8.
8.
And then what? It will make
A
a
strength save.
strength save.
It will either be move 15 or
What do you need to beat? 12, right?
Yes.
It rolled a nat 1. Where do you want it to move?
uh
15 feet away.
pinned sa
So sa wall?
Yes.
Or do you want to move it very far?
Pinned to the wall lang kay physical impossible mo siyang akuan.
So it will be pinned to the wall. Let's see if it takes damage. No, it does not. It does not take damage. It with its dexterity, it just moves back. Anyway, so it's Zulika's turn. Zulika got damaged with a bite. So she will try to swipe, bite again. Both hits. And the nat 20 for her bite. Pila gani? 3, 6 plus 6 plus 4. 6 plus 6, 12 damage. So combo, like slash, bite combo. So minus 12 to the wolf in front of her.
Wala ni anda akong kuan, ni anda akong move.
I think wala pa. You still have one action, by the way. I forgot. Anyway, that was Zulika's turn. So, okay. I think Zulika will try to parry the wolf. He will move here to give extra space. It's still your turn. You still have
16 arrows left.
bonus act. Did you use the silver?
No?
I saw
Normal-
half imong damage siya.
Normal arrows na.
Pila tong damage mo before?
6, 6, 2. 14.
So instead of 6, it was 3. Sorry.
So 3, 3.
Wait, 8 man ang total damage. So I think minus 3. So yeah. So apparently your normal arrows is only giving half damage.
Half.
So you still have another one. Apparently more na siya resistance.
Ako magamit isang silver arrow. Kanang kay Zuleika nga werewolf.
Okay. So roll twice with advantage.
No choice. 11 plus 5, 16.
16 hits.
So, ano dayon? 7.
7. Tayo, plus 6 na, plus 2 na siya.
7,
Plus 2 plus 2
2, 9, 11.
plus butterfly so 11 normal damage.
Plus butterfly. Plus 4 butterfly damage.
Okay.
Silver arrows.
And then it will do a
Friend save.
nat 20. You can only move it once.
5 feet lang.
Away.
Yes.
So as you move it away from Zulika, Zulika will take a chance to swipe kana nakakashada sa character. Moving it away from your ally will give it a chance, an opportunity to attack. So it will help
support na roll.
Wait, away, di I know how. This is Zulika, by the way. This is the werewolf. Where are you putting it?
Down the stairs.
Ward na sa ako tanan.
Ayun, down the
Here?
stairs. Kanang, Kaya
Here?
para dako na akong advantage yan.
Here?
Yes.
Here?
Okay, height.
Ah.
No, left pa.
Here?
Kana, para na height advantage. Ako height advantage yan.
Okay, Zulika,
Swipe.
no, cannot. Because
It's too far.
he's still in reach. Dapat at least dire.
Okay.
By the way, that happened. So the wolf is suffering and it's dying currently. Tanuki, it's your turn.
Hit that. 20. Yes, 20 siya.
Not 20?
Not 20.
Okay, so roll your damage die, your D8.
2 plus 7.
Wait. Ano 7?
Ay, sa kuwan.
2 ang imo na roll,
Oo.
right? And then plus
katana
dexterity, so 4 plus proficiency na 3, so 7.
plus 4 pag yun,
So,
Crimson Right.
Wait lang, 2 plus 4 plus 3 is, so 2 plus 7 is 9.
Oh.
So since not
This is
20, maura ng doubled, okay?
Oh.
So your crimson damage is not doubled. So 18 siya. 18 plus your crimson damage na 3,
4.
4.
4 akong Crimson. 4 akong na-roll na Crimson.
Okay. Dili, 3 man yung damage kanina sa crimson, di ba? Katong pag-slice nimo, initial
4 ako
damage.
na-damage. 4 ako na-roll.
Okay.
Oh.
So 18 plus 4 is 24. So 18
silver.
18 silver damage is not 18 silver damage. Okay. And then fire damage tayo
Fire
na
damage.
4, right? It takes half your fire damage. Ito ba? Am I right? I'm not sure. Immunities, bludgeoning, piercing, slashing from non-magical attacks that are silver. Yes, but it takes full fire damage, magical damage. So minus 4 magical, 36.
36 damage.
A joke. Anyway, yeah.
36.
The wolf clearly had singed
One strike lang.
with 1 strike. So you take
36.
another strike.
Okay, another strike.
Yeah.
5 plus 7 sa hit. Last na lang.
5 plus 7.
Hit.
12 hits.
12 hits. So, igo siya.
Apparently, you just hit.
Okay.
So 1d8 plus 7
6
plus 7, 13 plus crimson damage na 4 is 17 damage with just 1 slice. 17. Okay. So it takes the full blunt of the damage. And then after this, it is the other wolf's turn. As it falls near the stairs, it falls down. I'll give it fall damage.
And
Because of the butterfly,
And prone.
it takes 3 damage. So kung nahulog siya sa floor,
Prone.
it falls prone on the floor. And it uses one of its action to howl. Like, ow! It howls. In pain. It uses it takes half its movement to stand up, and it moves up to Zulika, and then it uses one action to slice at her, which is successful, and then bite action, which is also successful. Zulika will take 1d4 plus 2, 5, 6 plus 2 plus 2, 4, 6 plus 2, 10 damage. Zulika cries out in pain as she gets damaged by this wolf.
I drew my another one last bonus. Ito na lang po.
You still have bonus action.
Ano na, ako na.
I'll allow you kay allow mo ta kaganin.
So, wala na kayo action.
Wala na kay bonus. Bonus lang ako ng tama.
One bonus na lang ako
Oo,
nabili.
nabuti pa.
Sige, I'll allow it, guys.
Sige.
Sige, first si Gian. Do your bonus
Okay,
action.
go.
Roll your d20. Which doesn't hit. So your bonus action, you use a normal arrow. You use a normal you still have 2 silvered arrows, right? Okay. So one of your silvered arrow is lunged at the wolf that Zulika is battling. You can take it if you want. Anyway, it's your turn.
One.
Bonus action.
Ilan? 16.
Okay, which is a hit?
16. Tapos, ang damage, 3 plus 4 sa dex, tapos plus 4 sa Crimson Bite.
No. 3 plus 4
4 sa dexterity, plus 4 sa Crimson Bite.
plus 3 for proficiency. 3 plus 7 plus 3, 10. Plus Crimson Right, 4, 14. Oh my God. So this wolf that, wait. What are you battling, gani? The wolf in front of you? Talaga na akong dimension na 14. This wolf is clearly dying in front of you. So slice after slice, the wolf gets burned as it is attacked. But now it's the wolf. Yeah, Zulika got damaged by the wolf. This wolf in front of you tries to attack you. It will slice attack. Flash attack. 14 hits. 14 plus 4, 18. What's your armor class?
16.
16. So hit. You take 4, 5, 6 damage. It slice attack again. 16 hits. Okay, plus 4 man. 1 plus 3, 3 damage. 1 plus
Minus
2.
3 again.
And then it bites you, which does not hit. 6 doesn't hit. So slice, and then it tries to bite you. You dodge as it does that. So at this time, you see someone approach. You see this man. Obviously, this is Skenis. He says, he runs towards you. This is Skenis. He says, take heed. They're coming. They're coming back. As he goes inside, he uses one attack to warn you guys. Probably bonus attack to warn, so one attack to warn. And then he slices the wolf in front of Zulika with a 10 that hits, and then bite hits. So 3 plus 7, 10. So this wolf gets decimated as he slices and bites its head off. So this wolf dies. And then that's it. He warns everyone that someone is coming.
So, what? Continue. They go.
Okay, so it's Gian's turn. Sorry, it's Silva's turn. What do you want to do, Silva? So what you see, one of the wolves is clearly down, and then the wolf in front of Tanuki is dying.
I use my 1 silver arrow sa pinned na kuan. Ano? 17 plus 5.
Sa pinned na wolf?
Oo. Plus 5 ko, di ba? Attack. Plus 2.
The pinned wolf is barely damaged, ah.
Sa, attack. Sige, itong attack. Plus 5. Attack bonus. So, 21.
21 to hit. Yeah, you hit.
Attack din ko.
Wait, okay, attack.
6 plus 2 plus
Wait,
2.
6 regular arrow ni.
No, silver.
6 plus 2 plus 2.
Uh,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 damage plus butterfly damage.
4.
So 14. And then what do you strength save? And that's 7. So obviously
Para namatay.
no. I told you it's barely damaged. Your first attack is on him, diba? Second attack is on Zulika's wolf. So third balik na sa iya. So he's still alive. Do you want to move him anywhere?
Near him.
3 movements, ha? Either 3 movements. You move it forward to EJ.
Oh, yes.
So Tanuki, sorry.
Yes.
Go. Okay lang.
Okay.
Para
And
mausap.
then, ako silang
You still have
one action.
1 action and 1 bonus.
I will use my another silver arrow to attack.
Your last
Uh,
silver arrow to attack. Which
uh,
the wolf in front of Tanuki is barely hanging on.
Tayong ito.
kanang kuan
Near me.
para mo penetrate. Para isa
Kapal mo sa
two birds
tanan.
in one arrow.
What do you mean?
Ako na lang, kanang barely damage na lang.
You have a bonus action and an action, ha? So you can use your bonus
Ang action na lang.
action. To what? Kang kinsa?
Kanang katong game bago lang ako game mo.
Okay, sige. With advantage. Roll twice, take the highest.
15 na.
15 and then roll again. You might get a nat 20.
5
Okay, so use the
15.
15.
Plus 5, 20.
Yan na. So, damage roll.
8.
8 plus 2 plus 2, 12.
12.
Plus butterfly damage.
5.
17 damage in 1 roll. Wait. 20. Okay, so it's really taking damage. This person will do a strength save, which is a fail.
So, i-move na ako.
Away from Tanuki.
No, closer to Tanuki.
No, if you move him away, he will have an opportunity to
Sige,
attack.
move away.
So here,
Yes.
or you can move it 15 feet anyway. Farthest, here. Tanuki, you can roll to hit.
Ay, shit. 3.
Plus 7.
7.
Okay. Doesn't hit. So
Another-
Tanuki goes wide as he tries to swipe.
Another pod.
Huh?
Another attack.
No, only 1 attack. Reaction na ba yan?
Reaction
It's not your turn.
Kapag bonus,
Napay bonus. What do you want?
tinan ako ng kuan using my normal arrow.
Okay, pero thing is, you're not going to add your proficiency, so it's just
Flat.
D20 plus Dexra, not with your proficiency.
12.
Plus Dex, yeah, it hits.
Plus dexterity.
It hits.
Plus 2.
Ah,
So 14.
so roll damage.
So flat damage, ano?
Regular arrow man diba? So 1d8.
2.
Halved. 1d8 plus 2 plus 2. 5. Halved is 2.
1d8, 2. Plus 2, 4. 6. Divided by 2, 3.
3 damage. And
Three.
then butterfly damage.
4.
7 damage for this turn. But what happens as you decimate the creature? The creature in front of Tanuki dies as it is engulfed by the butterflies.
Yung kuan siya, nag-engulf siya sa butterflies, then ako kabalungan, nanaigot siya sa arrow.
Okay, so it realizes, it gets eaten by the butterfly and it dies. It bursts into flame and butterfly. Okay, so that was your turn, right? Whose turn was it? Your turn.
Ako to.
Next,
Zulika na.
ba? Zulika.
Actually, at this point, a woman suddenly arrives angry. This woman cries out. She says, "Defectors!" Um, Clearly, Zulika screams out, "It's Bianca!" And then this woman's face, Bianca looks very changed. Apparently, it looks like she came from somewhere that gave her more power. With her are a number of wolves. There
Can we-
are two wolves with her. And attachment. And then suddenly a number of like dire wolves arrive as well. Okay, so are you ready for the final battle?
Yeah, but I need to transform now.
Mga arrows.
Yes.
You can, but you're going to need to go down, use your bonus action to get your arrow,
Yeah, sure.
and then shoot. So yeah, so that's it. That's Bianca's turn. And then two other wolves, and then do you want break?
Yeah, break ata.
Okay, sige, let's do a break. 5 to 15 minutes break.
Go, go, go. Tanong ko.
Okay, so we're back. So we start our game mid-battle. So as we can see, a new group of wolves enter the fray. See, Zulika screams out Bianca, which apparently is Kirill's no? Kirill's fiance. But this time, Zulika notes that Bianca looks different. It seems that she has new powers. She's more powerful than the usual werewolf. She screams out, "Defectors!" And she starts attacking. So we start our um, turn. So I decided to fix the turn order. So we will start with Bianca. I know we will start with. So this is after your turn, right? So you were the last person to play. By the way, correction on your your butterfly thing. You can use only it as a bonus action once per round. So it's not every attack. Okay, so we will have that corrected. And yes. So let's begin. Now it's Zulika's turn. Zulika will, I think this is Zulika. She will use her turn to do two slashing attacks, two claw attacks, which hits, and then the second hits, and then she will bite for the remainder. All three attacks hits in the werewolf in front of her. So first attack is a 1 plus 2, so 3. 1 plus 2 plus is 3, 6. And then 8. 8 plus 2 is 12 plus 6, 16 damage to the wolf in front of her. The wolf yelps in pain as she slashes, she claws, and she bites the wolf in front of her. Clearly, the wolf in front of her is almost dead. So, for her next action, she will try to move back. She will step back here because apparently she is quite taken aback with Bianca joining the fray. Now it's the wolf's turn. The wolf will try to attack Skenes.
Ang akong gathered swarm kay ano siya, once per turn na siya.
Lagi, once per turn as a bonus action.
Dili ko butang dati.
Kabutang sa
Asa?
Use it as a bonus action.
Right.
Read the text. Once on each turn of your turns, you can cause the swarm to assist you in the following ways after you hit the attack. Gathered Swarm. At third level, a swarm of intangible natural spirits and undead, blah, blah, blah. So I will rule it as a bonus action and I'll show it to you later.
Okay.
Sige. So that's the thing. The werewolf who is clearly dying, she looks back at Bianca and Bianca glares at it, giving it orders to attack despite the fact that it is dying. So the wolf in front of Zulika tries to strike. I'll choose between the two. It will attack Skenis instead of Zulika. So it will do a slash. The second attack miss. The third attack misses. So it only does 6 damage to the old man. Skenos takes 6 damage. Skenis' turn. Skenis will attack the wolf and try to finish it off. He will do a slashing attack, which is an 8 plus 4 is a 12. Hits. Slashing, another slash. So we'll say 2 slashes is 3, 4, 5 plus 3. So the wolf takes 8 damage, decimating the wolf. The wolf in front of Zulika dies as he kills it. For Skenis' last action, he will use his movement to move back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And he will try to free this man. He will say, "Join us! Join the fight, and we will save your lover." He will use a strength check in order to move the rocks on top of the heap, which is only a 3. So I will include the man here. He was not able to move the rocks. So we will move the turn. After Skenis is Tanuki's turn. Tanuki, what would you like
Okay,
to
I
do?
will try to move sa other side. Left side.
Here. 1, 2, 3. Here.
As to 3 moves na day.
Dili, 6. 6 spaces.
Oh, there you go. Ihantod sa pinaka-tumoy. Paano?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Then, I will try to activate my werebear.
You will shift into a werebear form.
Yeah.
Okay, so Tanuki slashes his skin off as he starts to transform. When Sensha sees this as Tanuki starts to shed his shape into his bear form. So Tanuki transform into his werebear. Kindly roll to add your additional life. What did I put there? Let me check.
7.
Shifting. Add 1/2 Constitution plus 1d6.
D6.
Roll 1d6 and then Constitution. Roll a d6. Highest ng 7.
5.
You add
Plus 5.
6 plus 5. Plus 6 life.
Plus 6.
So Tanuki feels a bit healed, or he gains additional temporary hit points. So that's your movement, your bonus action. You can still move as an action. You can use movement as
Say
an
go.
action. And
I'll
then
try to go sa that werewolf.
is this the dire wolf?
Direwolf na lang
Okay, so you move here.
Near.
You move here. Okay,
Pahit.
so you use your action, one of your actions to move towards the wolf, and then you still have a bonus action. You still have an extra action. You use your bonus action to transform a movement, and then one of your actions to move, last action.
That's 7.
Plus
Like ito. +7 to 14.
Let's see if this hits. It hits.
Okay.
Just hits the wolf. You see a dire wolf.
Roll continue.
Apparently this dire wolf has red scarlet eyes and feels like it is controlled by Strahd.
Oh.
Roll a d8.
7 plus 4 dex plus Crimson Right D4.
No, 7 damage plus 4,
Dex
uh,
plus Crimson Right.
11 plus 4, 15 damage. So you slice the wolf. The wolf
Slap.
yelps in pain as you slash its rib. So the first wolf takes
14.
14 damage. Okay, so that's your turn, right? That's Tanuki. Okay, now we move on to Bianca. Bianca uses one of her actions to transform. She spreads her body and she suddenly morphs into a larger wolf. So in front of you, you see a mega wolf. Mega wolf in front of you, a black mega wolf.
What?
You see her eyes clearly change color. She moves. Let's see her stat block. She will movement 30 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So she suddenly appears beside Tanuki, and also one action to shape change. Sorry, so one action to shape change, and then so it loses one action. It uses 2 actions to use its claw attack against you. So first claw attack is, I rolled a 7 plus 7 is a 14, which does not hit.
Okay, 17 ako.
And then so you suddenly it appears beside you. Oh shit! And then you try to move back, and she didn't hit for the first. For the second is a 12 plus 7 is a 19 to hit. I will roll 2d4s. 4, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 4, 11 damage. You take 11 damage, Tanuki, as she slices at you. She looks feral. Okay, so that's Bianca's turn. Now, it's now the wolf in front of you, Tanuki. Sorry.
You go.
The wolf in front of you tries to attack you. The dire wolf. Are you okay, Tanuki?
Yep.
So the dire wolf makes only one attack. It has advantage if the wolf has advantage on attack rolls against the creature if at least one of the wolf's ally is within 5 feet. So advantage on its attack. First roll is a nat 2. Second roll is a nat 5. So both attacks on Tanuki is missed. It tries to jump out of Tanuki, but to no avail. It will move through. Okay, so after that wolf, it's the other wolf's turn. So it will move forward and it will move through. Here. It will try to attack Zulika. It will try to bite Zulika with a nat 1. No, it falls prone as it attacks Zulika. It jumps to attack and it flips at the blood and it falls prone. Next, after that wolf is the werewolf's turn. 6. It will slash at Zulika.
Divide the good one.
Nat 15, nat 7,
Either one.
11.
Either one.
So first slash is a 3, and then one bite. One bite is a 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Zulika takes 9 damage. He winces in pain. as she gets sliced on her rib. 13. Okay, so last. Should I gang up on Tanuki? Yes.
Sige.
Napakalayo.
Yeah, may healing pa ko.
So it moves towards Tanuki and it does 3
Mamaya na.
attacks.
Save pang board. Save pang board.
Ah,
Okay. 16 is a hit. 2 is not a hit. 4 is not a hit. So one slicing attack on Tanuki. Tanuki takes 3 damage only. So 1 plus 3. Next turn is when Sensha. When seeing Tanuki turn into a werebear, she suddenly gets worried on him. She will move forward 1, 2, 3 in front of the wolf in front of Tanuki. And she will cast. Let's see. Because you turned into a werebear in front of Tanuki, in front of her, she decided to take pity on you. So she will cast Cure Wounds on you.
as
24 na to.
Halika.
1d8. I rolled a 7. 7 plus
That's
4. You take 11 points of healing as she touches you. And then
Thank
with
you.
her bonus action, she changes shape into a wolf. A werewolf as well to aid the party. Okay, so that's it. Okay, now after Wensensha's turn, we will be back to you.
Yeah,
Your turn.
So your current all arrows are
normal.
depleted. You can try to get your arrows.
Use my mage hand country.
That's a bonus action.
Oh,
Yeah, cantrip is a one action.
ayaw na lang. Ako na lang siyang mag-movement na lang po. Saka tong dead na mga ano. Naman sila dara.
Bonus action to pick, huh?
Okay, cool.
So you go here. You get your silver arrow. 2 silver arrows. Again, bonus action to get 2. You still have 1 action.
Okay, go.
Patay ba na si Kuan? Patay na siya.
Wala pa. Hanggang, say,
Zulika.
Zulika wala pa. Buhay pa sa gilid niya.
So, kaya na niya.
Low na yung life.
Hello, yan live?
Oh,
Kaso cure wounds yan.
You want to cast?
Mm.
Cure wounds needs to be you
One
need
feet
to
away.
be. Oh, you can move forward here or here.
Ayun na lang, dito na lang. I'll shoot at the...
There. 1, 2, 3. So you still have 3 boxes left to move. So
Never mind.
15
Ako
more.
na lang siyang
No, 20 more feet. 35 feet pa na. You will shoot at this.
Yes.
Okay.
Yung
so
dying naman na. Normal arrows lang.
this is not dying. This came from here.
oh, bago pa na.
All the remaining wolves ganina are already dead.
Really? I'll use my 1 silver arrow.
Okay, out of the 2. Your other silver arrow is here, ha? I know it's here.
Nasa iya ha. Tulo man to. Nasa iya ha.
So, two at this werewolf, and then 1 at this dead werewolf.
Ano tong isa?
Here.
No, tulo man to, di ba?
Oh, 2.
Do I
You
have
got 2. You got 2 from this, and then the other is here.
Hanapa sa iya ha.
Oh.
Lodge.
Not blood. No, the dead wolf.
Okay. Yeah.
So you use 1 arrow to attack at that wolf.
Yes.
Okay, so roll to attack for your final hits.
16 plus 5, 21.
Huh? What did you roll?
16 plus 5, 21.
Oh, you hit. You hit with your silvered arrow. So roll your damage. 1d8
5.
plus 2 plus 2, 9. And then Wala na kay bonus action. You already used your bonus
Ano may
action.
bonus action ng swarm? Gathered swarm.
Bonus action siya from.
Okay, fine.
So 9 damage on the wolf. The wolf winces in pain as you
Dapat ko isang attack.
wala na. Okay, so that's your turn. So Zulika thanks you for attacking it, and it will then continue
Rise up, bitch.
attack it. Don't worry, bitch. She uses to swipes natural one. Second slice is a natural 3. Apparently, wala din siya nag-hit. She'll bite the wolf instead, which is natural 3.
All attacks miss.
All attacks miss, and she will go here. Ano na lang.
Sila may papa.
Okay, that's Zulika. Now it's Kenis. Kenis will try to move the. Yeah. He will try to move the rocks. Dapat. Okay, so he freed this guy, and then he will use all his movement to move back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so he will try to attack the wolf. Okay. 12, yeah, hits. Hits. I know. 7 plus 4 is 11 hits. Bite attack does not hit. So he does a 2 flashing attack on the wolf that's attacking Zulika. 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. So 9 damage on the wolf. So the wolf takes another. Okay, it's almost down. Now, after Skenis is your turn. Okay.
So I'll try to attack where the top? The left side up. 15 plus 4.
Left side, where?
Kanon direwolf na ng tawag.
This one?
Oo.
Okay.
Hit siya. Tapos attack 7 plus 4 plus 4 yapon.
Wait lang ha.
Or hit siya.
Naka-damage kasi initially.
Oo.
Pila to ganun?
Ilang?
Wait, 4.
Minus 3.
3 lang?
Oo. Basta 35 po karon.
So your next attack sa Yaha was? It was a hit, no?
Hit siya.
Pila ang
15.
damage? 15?
No. 7 plus 4 plus 4 sa previous one.
Okay. So 11 plus 4, 15 damage. So it yelps in pain. Obviously, you sliced off a part of its jaw. The jaw is hanging, but it's still alive.
Another one upon
Go ahead. Roll to hit.
10 plus 7, 17.
Hits.
Okay. 1 plus 4 plus 4, 9 damage.
Total?
9 total.
Okay, so how did you kill the wolf as it gets decimated?
Try to slash it up.
Okay, so as you do that, you slice it half. His head opens and cracks open. The wolf's head sliced open. Can you imagine what it open up like a demigorgon?
Last bonus na lang.
You still have a bonus attack.
Okay.
Where?
Kabiangka.
Okay.
17 plus 7 hit.
Wait lang. Okay. I think 17 plus 7 is a hit.
4 plus 4 plus 4 pa yan. So 12 ka lang.
Ano 4 naman? 4 plus.
4 plus
Damage
4
na, no?
4.
Okay. So you slice your silver. She gets shocked as you slice silver on her, and it feels like she gets damage. 12 damage. So she gets a lot. Apparently, the damage that you dealt on her feels like it really hit. But now it's Bianca's turn. At the beginning of its turn, the direwolf regains life. So you see the damage on her starts to reform, and she just smiles at you.
direwolf din siya.
It feels like she regained a part of the damage that you sliced on her. And for her current. Okay. Same yapon as a typical werewolf. It does 3 attacks on you. First is its claw attack. She rolled a nat 1. I kept on rolling natural ones in this. So 1 plus 7 is an 8.
17 ako kasama.
I rolled an 18. Sorry. So 18 plus 7 is a 25. So first claw attack hits. Second claw attack is a 9 plus 7. 16. Pila mo armor class?
17.
Okay, so the bite does not hit. So only one slashing attack. She gets annoyed as she only does one attack on you, which is one claw attack, which is 2d4. I keep on forgetting. 2d4 plus 4. I know. Ano sa to? 4, 5, 9 damage.
9 damage.
Okay, so that is her. That is Bianca. Bianca might... No, she will stay there. I think she wants to kill Zulika. This is Zulika, right? She will stay there. Okay, so after Bianca is the wolf. This guy. This guy first. It will attack the old man. Skenis. Ay, mag-rolls ako if Skenis or si Bianca. Zulika. So Zulika, he slices Zulika with an 18, 3, 15. So 2 attacks goes 5 plus... Shoot, grabe, full damage. 8 plus 15 damage on Zulika. Zulika is very injured currently.
Wait lang. Push ko pong template.
Almost half life. Zulika is breathing heavily.
I saw her life potion.
Ako na ko,
You're too far.
Pili, labay lang siya.
Yeah, you have one.
I have one.
Okay,
Ako na ilang.
5 akon.
One action na to.
One action to throw. Ako lang dapat kung maghatag ng potion, go close, give the potion. Dili mo pwede. Uy, drink.
Okay.
Dili siya practical.
Ikuan ako sa
Ano na, it only works in Baldur's Gate when you throw a potion automatic. Okay, now the werewolf beside Tanuki will attack him. Patay naman din yung isa ka dog pa. One of the dogs are dead. The direwolves. But this one, who is still not damaged, will move towards you. It will do a slashing attack. 11 plus 4 is a 15. 15 does not hit. So first slash does not hit. Second slash does not hit. Bite attack hits. Thankfully, apparently,
I can heal with
5 plus 2, 7 damage.
7 damage.
Okay, so as you bite, as you take the bite, can you roll a Constitution save?
Not 20 ba?
Ano?
Sige mo.
5.
5
It
plus
feels
2. 7.
7. This is different, huh? As the bite takes you, it feels like you are poisoned. Kay werewolf ang nag-bite sa imo, ha? Either it's
Nag-go
trying
against
to
imong genes.
infect you or it's trying to infect you, but you're not sure if you are taking the
Imong
werewolf.
werebear antigens can
Werebear can turn into a werewolf at the same
Yung
time.
werebear immune system can
Okay.
activate.
So yeah, you take the damage and
7.
it feels different, Tanuki. Okay, so after this, one of the wolves will move forward and try to bite you.
Go.
Okay, so the dire wolf will attack Silvas. So, only one attack. Pero dako yung damage pa eh. Not 20.
Armor class na okay 40.
You take 14 damage out of that. As the wolf takes a bite, it takes a hunk of your flesh as it bites you.
So 45 minus 14. 1.
How's your life?
26. 19.
30. 31 na lang akong life.
Okay. So, now when we'll use another spell slot to
Okay na.
try to heal you.
At least may healer sa akong gilid.
Pero limited ang spells niya, ha?
Yes, spell slot.
She uses Cure Wounds at you. So 1d.
I drew
She
resistant
heals
to
you
necrotic
with
damage.
10.
May resistant to necrotic damage.
Dili
Different
siya
na.
necrotic. Poison
Okay.
illness.
Ah,
It's lycanthropy. So 6 plus 4 is 10.
okay.
10 healing points for you. And then that's one action. She uses her next action to slash. She moves here in order to protect Helen. She slashes at Bianca. Let's see if she hits. No, she does not hit with a 9 plus 4, 13 armor class. No, she does not hit, and then she bites. With a 12 plus 4 is a 16. Her armor class is... Yeah, her bite hits Bianca. Damage 5 plus 2. 7 damage on Bianca. And Bianca just laughs as she takes the damage. She's like, once my lover comes back, you will all be dead. Okay, so that's when Sensha. Now it's Silvus, the man. The man will go down, move to. He will try to help the children. Probably the girl first. With a 5, no, he can't move the stone yet. Okay, so that's him. Now let's go back to Silvus. Silvus' turn.
O ang gamit ng short sword. Finish.
Okay.
Tapos, roll to attack ko.
Okay.
12 plus 5, 17.
Hits. The dire wolf, right?
Tapos, 1d6. 1d6. I think 1d6. Kanino? 1d6 ano?
1d6. The normal shape of the regular die.
6 plus 2.
So 8, no, 6 plus 2 plus.
No.
They man archery. 6
6 plus 2.
So 8 damage on the wolf. The wolf yelps. You can use your bonus action if you want.
Di mo ko dual wielding. Bonus action.
Butterfly.
I will move myself.
Oh,
I will move myself.
wait. Pause game just to check on the rules.
Dispute.
Rules
Ano?
lawyer. Rules lawyer niya ang GM.
Procedural law.
So technically, it's a free action, I guess. It's not a bonus. Sige.
No!
Okay, it's official. We will rule it as a free action, but only once per turn.
So, one action po
Okay.
siya.
So one action, to hit.
I am moved 5 feet away.
Okay, where?
Horizontally man siya. So, kana. And then, I will shoot. Wala ko disadvantage, no, kung magamit ko sa long bow.
No disadvantage, only flat shot.
Using my normal arrows, I will shoot at the wall. Kanang nag-follow sa kuha.
Okay. So you still have one silver arrow. So one normal arrow to shoot at the wolf. Go ahead. Roll to hit.
19 plus 5.
Hits.
Then damage. Flat na siya. Wala naman ko ikuan. Wala naman ko
Damage. Go.
wala ko gathered swarm. 4 plus 2 plus 2, 8.
Okay, so 8 damage. You see the arrow lodge itself on its abdomen, piercing through its lung. It cries out, it yaps, ow! But it's still alive. 8. Okay, so your turn. That
I
was
use my bonus action. Napay bonus.
okay. Bonus action
To
too.
shoot another arrow.
Okay, but do not add your proficiency. 1d8 plus your dex lang. D20.
17.
Hits. Okay, go.
1 plus 2.
3 damage.
And then, arrow count.
Dili, let's just say unlimited imong regular arrows, but the silvered arrows is important.
No, meta na kay ko. 15. I have 15
Okay,
regular
you have
arrows.
15 regular arrows and 1 silvered arrow. Very good, very good. If I can give you a bardic inspiration, I would. Next. Sige, I'll give you 1 free reroll for that. For keeping track, being honest with your arrow count.
Yeah.
Okay, so after that, after Silva's turn is Zulita. Zulita is yelping as she's about to die.
Gonna die.
She's gonna die.
Where the fuck?
Zulika
Our
uses her remaining strength to attack the wolf in front of her. 16, 15, and her bite is an at 1, so only the slashes pull through. D4, 3 damage plus 3 damage, 6 damage on the wolf in front of her. 21. She will try to jump here, move here and here for safety.
Yeah.
Okay, after Zulika, after Zulika is Stennis. Stennis will try to assist you by attacking the wolf. Should she attack the dire wolf? The
Gian on the other one.
Anyway, let's go back. So Stennis will use his attacks against the one that's attacking Zulika. He's trying to help her. So first is his slashing attack. 16. 10 plus 4 is 14, which hits. Bite attack is a 19. Very good, Stennis. So slash is a 5 plus 5 plus 7. 5 plus 5 plus 7 is a 17. 17 damage. The wolf is almost dead. Almost. As in. 4 hit points left. Okay, so after Stennis is Tanuki. You are currently surrounded by a lot of enemies.
Okay, I'll try to hit the werewolf the left side na kon.
Okay, so first damage against it.
13 plus 7.
Hits.
3 plus 4 plus 4.
7, 11.
So with your flaming sword, you slice at its chest and it yelps in pain. I keep on saying yelps and it cries.
It growls in
it
pain.
growls. It howls. Howls in pain. Pila to? 11.
11.
11 damage on this wolf. Okay, it's still alive.
Another attack. Ay, wait lang. Mo increase ba ang kung mag-wear ka mo increase
No.
ba ang attack? Ano?
Life lang.
Life lang.
Armor class.
13 plus
Ay, armor class increases by 1.
17. Oh.
Oh.
13 plus 7. Hit.
Okay. Hits, yeah.
1 plus 4 plus 4. 9.
9 damage. It's still alive though. Wait.
Another attack na po.
For your bonus action,
Oh.
you can attack a dual weapon wielder.
8 plus 7.
Hits. 15 hits.
15. Okay. Damage. 2 plus 4.
Plus 4
4.
is
10. 10.
10 damage. Grabe. In one round, you
At least
eviscerate you. It's still alive though, pero have
Straight,
yung
straight.
life. Yeah, straight slice. And the wolf, being that it's fire and it's silvered, it has no defenses against you. Okay, next after the wolf, after Tanuki is Bianca's turn. Bianca is clearly annoyed. It moves. Probably. Well, sige, I'll give it to her. I'll give one slashing attack for her. Sige, go. Which is a 7, doesn't hit. Bianca moves here.
in between button.
Tries to flank you. Flanking na ba? Ay, flanking, di gini ba? Saan ba tayo flanking rules?
Wala, opportunity lang. Pag nalagyan,
Let me
pass
check
by.
if there's rules on flanking in 5e. Pero kung sa ano magod Pathfinder kay may flanking rules. Flanking is a technical maneuver positioning two allies opposite sides twice. I can roll twice on attack. So it will attack Tanuki with a slashing. First hits.
17.
Second does not hit. Bite. Turko third hit. So 2 hits on Tanuki. Tanuki is getting eviscerated. So for its first slash attack, claw attack
Silver
is,
armor, di ako.
yeah, it doesn't really make a difference.
Pahita yung pamahit ba?
1, 3, 4. First attack is 7 damage. Second attack is for the bite. $11 damage.
Euro.
How hurt are you?
Kita naman ni Boy.
Pila na ka?
Ilan naman damage?
So that is,
11 na?
huh?
11 na eh.
Yung mga life? It's okay. 11 is still 2-digit. You can still survive one round. After Bianca is this guy. It will choose between the old man or Zulika again. The old man, he attacks the old man. 7 plus 4 is an 11. Does not hit. Hits. 3 hits on Kenneth. 3 plus 4 is 7. And then 7 plus 8 is 15 damage on Skenis. Skenis takes a lot. 15, but Skenis is still okay. 30. Yeah. Stennis is still breathing, even if he is already a veteran werewolf. So after that, Wolf is the one beside Tanuki. So 3 attacks na nyo. Not 1, not 5.
7,
Bite attack,
17.
bite attack, last 16.
Ah, the fuck.
Sorry. 9 damage.
9 damage. The fuck?
Your life is only 2 na lang, no?
Ah,
Okay.
pero may potion pa ko.
Okay. Hopefully, kung makaabot pa to sa inyong turn. So, so after that, this wolf continuously pounces, tries to pounce on. It will, Skenis will do an opportunity of attack on the wolf, which does not hit. You roll the 6. The wolf will attack you with a bite attack. 13 plus 5. 18. Does an 18 hit?
15 plus 5.
Okay, hits. Roll damage. You need to reach one number na lang yan.
5.
Plus,
2. 7.
how did you kill the wolf?
Kuan siya.
Pierce.
Pag pierce ako kay... Ako ikaw, nag-spam ko piercing.
Okay, so as you notice, as you continuously pierce it, butterfly starts to enter its body. So
Yes.
it starts to get eviscerated and the wolf is dead. So 2 wolves down.
So, movement.
Napaka-movement. And yeah, movement na lang.
Movement ko dito, pasakagamay.
Here?
Yeah, ana.
Or here?
Para.
Okay.
Wala na ko action, right? Use potion to.
No more action. You can use bonus action to do potion, but you already used your
Bonus
potion.
action. Potion? Wala ko lang to.
You already used your bonus action by using your butter. I know. No,
Oh,
you
bonus-
still have a bonus action. Yeah.
Heal myself.
Okay, so roll
Pwede.
potion healing.
Minus potion. Minus 1.
Wait, it's not regular potion. 1d. I think it's 2d4 times 2.
2d4 kanino?
Wait lang siya. 2d4 plus 2. 2d4.
Kanino?
Yeah.
Ang top number mo na nino? 3 times.
Plus 2d4 man. So 3 plus another roll again.
Ambiguous. 1. 3 plus 1.
4 plus 2. So you gain 6 health.
31 plus 6.
So now that you
23 plus 6.
move here, you see
29.
Tanuki being surrounded by werewolves
Kaya ba?
trying to survive with his dear life. Yeah. Now it's after your turn is Zulika. Zulika will try to finish the job. This is almost dead. Nope. Natural 20 on her second slash. 3, 5, plus 3, 8. 8 damage. This wolf was eviscerated. She slashed her face off as it falls to the ground.
Uy, na-retrieve na kong arrow na ko ha.
1 arrow.
Ang kaso isang arrow.
Nandi rin nag-wolf. Katong dead.
Bago lang. So, asa
And then
isang
the other one is
Sa
here,
stairs.
besides the stairs. Kato, kaning 1, 2, the both. Zulika will use her movement to try to help. So she used 1 action pa lang, 1 slashing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She will try to help Tanuki by attacking this guy. No. You can't impose, wait lang. She will move here, Tanuki. And then if you move here, by the way, if you move here, flanking ka, advantage ka on attack.
Okay.
So, opposing sides man. So, as you can see, opposite, 2 allies, if you're flanking, advantage ka on attack. Okay? So we will continue, that will be a thing for our sessions. Flanking. For this guy, Zulika will use her second slash. Nat 1. Cursed Legendaries, but I keep on rolling natural ones in 20s. 10. Yeah. For her bite attack, which is the one that mattered, he does 4 plus 2 damage. 6 damage on the wolf. Okay. After Zulika is Kenneth. Kenneth will also help out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Flanking. Yes. Against Bianca. Skenis will do 2 flashing, 19, 3, and 11 plus 4 is 15. 15. Ilang armor class kanya enemy niya? I think her armor class is 15. Both hits. Attack. Yeah, all hits. So 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12 damage on Bianca. Bianca starts to get worn down as she gets bitten and attacked by her previous de facto leader. And Skenis was like, you and your husband needs to die. You don't deserve this colony. After Skenis is Tanuki. Your turn.
Okay, I'll try to attack the werewolf.
Would you like to impose
A move up.
here?
Yes. Okay. One
Okay.
movement na siya ba?
So one movement.
And I will try to attack.
If you attack, roll with advantage. So roll 2 dice. Take the highest die yun. 2 d20.
7, 9, 19 ba ni?
19. Okay.
19 na.
So hit 19. So roll damage.
7 plus 4 plus 4.
11 plus 4 is 15 damage. Okay. As you slice and slash its neck, you slice the neck. It's still alive though, pero so it's almost dead, but it's still alive.
Another one.
Second attack. Roll again. Advantage mo ka. All attacks.
12 plus
hits,
7.
hits.
Okay. 4 plus 4 plus 4.
Okay, so as he's already catching his neck, as blood starts to
Another
gush,
slash.
how did you kill it?
Horizontal slash sa yung neck area.
So you decapitate the wolf as the head flies out, splashing blood towards Zulika, and it's dead. Okay. What do you do? You still have a bonus action, and you still have 25 feet of movement.
Wait lang.
Wala advantage ha?
Oh.
Because you are not
13 plus 7.
Hits on Bianca.
5 plus 4 plus 4. 13.
13 damage on Bianca. Bianca takes the blunt as you pierce through her rock-hard abdomen. It wasn't fatal, but it hurt a lot. 13 damage, no? 3. Okay, so what Bianca does, she starts healing again. Yeah. She starts healing from that 13 damage. She only takes 3. So every turn, she heals around 10 HP. Okay, so Bianca will pick between the 3 of you. Who? So 1, 2, and then ikaw number 3. So 3 and 6, Tanuki. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She hit the old woman who keeps on healing you.
Oh no.
You Stop
Okay.
helping
Stupid bitch.
the ones that's not part of our path. So she flashes, which is successful, and bite is successful. You might die. So 2d4, 4, 7 plus 2, 7 plus 4 is 11. First slash pa lang 11. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 11 plus 7 is 18. Now, her bite is 5 plus 6 is 11 plus 4 is 15. 18 plus 15 is 33 damage on the woman. Oh my god. She
Dead.
No, she bites off the neck and she falls down to the ground. And when falls down, prone on the ground, but she's still alive, gasping for life. She's in the brink of death. And now he looks at the both of you. Okay. So that's her turn. That's Bianca. Now it's Wincentia's turn. She tries. The woman behind, who is almost dead, does not have healing anymore. She tries to attack with all her might to Bianca. With a miss and a hit. So she does 1d4, 3, 4, 5. She screams out, "Pick me! Kill me instead!" So 5 damage. Okay. Now, it's the man's turn. Oh, all her companions are dead. The man will try to help the children. Ooh, a 13. So this child is free. Both children are free. Okay, what next? It's Silva's turn.
Okay. Mage hand as bonus action, my 2 arrows that are nearby.
Where?
Nadaro ako sa stairs.
The 2 arrows are here.
Oh, ganito.
Ang mage hand is 30 feet, no? Mage hand has a distance. 30 feet, I think, yeah. I think it's possible.
Yeah, bonus action.
Yeah. A spectral floating hand appears at the point you wish within range. The hands last for the duration. You can use your action to pick.
Action.
Dili na lang, ano na lang, I'll allow it when you cast it action. So, sige, I'll allow it. You pick both arrows and the hand slowly floats towards you. Is it the hand or butterfly?
Butterfly.
Okay, let's just imagine those butterflies in the spell of the mage hand, in the magic of mage hand. Floats your arrows goes back to you, so that's your bonus action.
Thank you, my butterflies. Napakado ka action, di ba?
Yeah, to action.
Mag-cast din ko og Hunter's Mark.
Now you cast Hunter's Mark. Okay, what does Hunter's Mark look like on you?
Ano siya? One of my butterflies will land on Bianca.
Here.
On top
On
of
top
her.
of her head.
Butterflies will swarm on her.
It's a butterfly that there. That's your target. Yeah. So what does Hunter's Mark do again?
Concentration plus 1d6 damage.
To your attack.
Yeah.
Okay, concentration. So that's your first action.
So my second action is an attack using my longbow.
Let's just say this is your hunter. Dapat magbutang na akong butterfly, diba? Official butterfly. So basically, Bianca is well illuminated by...
Basta yung mga mini fairy dust that drop sa ilakya.
What am I doing? Attach on there.
Roll to attack.
Ay, wait, not this. Murpangit. Okay naman. Okay na, no? Okay.
20, not 20.
Wow! Okay. 20. You use your for your bow attack. So silver din siya, no? For your
Yeah.
silvered bow, roll for your silvered attack.
Silver attack. This one, di ba?
D8.
8.
Wow! Natural! So 8 plus 1 plus 2,
Plus 2, 10, 12.
12 times 2, 24.
No, 20, anong times 2 man?
Not 20 na pa.
Okay, 24.
24.
Plus
And then
1
plus
D6.
your hunter's mark.
1d6. Kani, di ba?
4.
4. Plus gathered swarm.
With 24 plus 4, 28 plus gathered swarm.
5. 28 plus 5.
33 damage in one round. You focus, you jump up. I can imagine like a butterfly float in top of Bianca. You jump up and you focus your might as butterfly starts swarming around the attack, and it desecrates Bianca, but she's still alive.
Yeah, but a silver arrow is
33, no? 38, 33. So Bianca is currently being pummeled by everyone in the surroundings as you attack it. So she's dying currently. Wow.
naka-silver arrow.
33 damage in one.
Naka-silver arrow to.
Mawala ba yung healing sa...
Reduce na lang, Drew. Reduce healing na lang.
No, sorry. I know. Oh no! Wala na healing. Yeah, she should have stopped
Kaya
healing when you started
naka-implant
attacking.
man ng silver siya
body.
body.
So,
muna
I'll just deduct life because I healed earlier. Okay, Bianca realizes, oh, yeah. She tried to pop her abs. Can't pop it anymore.
Got
I realize I'm not dying. She realizes her mortality and starts calling for her husband. After that, Sulika moves forward and says, "You were not the queen. I was supposed to be the leader of the pack. You don't deserve to live." She attacks Bianca, but no, does not hit. 11. Her third attack hits as she bites through her neck. Bianca takes only 4 damage out of it. 4 damage, but Bianca is still alive. Stennis. Stennis' turn. Stennis weeps out because she saw when Sensha dying, clasping her throat. He tries to attack with a 7 plus 4 is 11, does not hit. This hits. His second slice hits, and his third does not hit. So 1 hit lang. 5 damage, another 5. Bianca is barely clasping to life as it's your turn. What would you do, Tanu?
I will try to attack. Another, 19.
Okay, with a 19. Roll for damage.
3 plus 4 plus 4.
Okay.
11.
So tell me, Tanuki, at this moment, how did you kill the werewolf? How did you kill the giant werewolf?
I'll try to slash
Okay, so with
Dragon Link.
the flaming sword of Tanuki in his bare form, so you see him, all the wolves are actually shocked to see you transform into the bear form that you are. As you slice, as Bianca calls out for hero, You jump up and pierce through the mouth of Bianca, and Bianca falls down to the ground and dies. And that's how Bianca died. And that's how we end the battle, guys. So the battle ended. Okay. So at this moment, Bianca, the de facto queen of the pack, dies. You see when Sensha slowly crawl towards one corner as she starts to die herself. Apparently, no more healing, no more potions
I
can
have to find.
no more potions can bring her back. She falls, hugs hugs Kellen one last time, and tells Kellen, "Come with them, go with them, live a life beyond this path. You could be better. You could leave Barovia and go back to your land." And she finally passes away.
Oh,
Uh, yeah, okay. And at this point, I think Stellan, Skinnis,
si Kenis.
Skinnis,
Kenis.
Skinnis will approach Winsensha and weep for her death. At this moment, as you approach, Zulika approaches you and she's like, "We need to go.
Yeah.
We need to leave." Um, they apparently, I think, Kirill will obviously come here. And Skinnis will just shouts out, "Leave me here. Leave me here. I will find a way. I will find a reason why everybody died. Don't worry." Um, Tanuki, um, Tanuki and Silvus, go to Kirill's room.
Where is that?
The room above, the room there, here, the room
Ah.
above. You can find a number of treasure items, and maybe you can find proof that Bianca killed Tok, Esmeralda's leg.
Okay.
Okay, so at this point, the children was actually this guy became helpful, and he decided to be with the children and approach you. Um, Stennis promised that he will take care of his lover, who is currently starving in one cage. And he told, actually, this guy introduced himself as Halik. Halik approaches you and he says, "You might not remember me, but I am actually one of the servants of the lady in Balaki." Do you know her? Do you know Lady Fiona Wachter?
Oh, yes.
I
remember.
am the servant that opened the door.
Oh,
I am actually in love with this woman who lives here. And we got Annika. Her name is Annika. We usually do trysts in Balaki. I go out of town. I try to court her. And then one day, Kirill found out about us and he captured us. So it's okay. I will go back to Valaki with his children, with his orphans, and I will help the party. So that's it. And do you go to the room?
yeah.
So as you go to the room of Kirill, as you go to Kirill's room, you see a number of items. First and foremost,
Second floor.
no, are you going up to the same floor?
Ang second floor, room niya, di ba?
No,
Where?
here. This is his
Ah,
room.
Nga na ay second floor.
I know. This is his room he lives with Bianca, sorry. He lives with Bianca. This is Zulika tells you that the second floor is just usually used as that's where we do the Hunger Game. That's where children kill each other. So you won't get anything from that room. Okay, so as you go to the room of Kirill, you get a number of items. First and foremost, gold. Tara. First and foremost, Skenny says, whatever is there, take it. Just please don't get the gold that's in front of the statue near the cages. That is meant for our patron, our mother. If I were you, we're willing to give it to you as long as you turn the tides against the the de facto leader of the current cave, which is
Kirill.
Kirill. If you kill Kirill and the rest of the evil werewolves, it's yours. That is not tainted gold anymore. We consider that gold as tainted by the blood of the children that died because of what Kirill did, of how Kirill killed the children, made them fight in order to become werewolves. We will give it to you once it's not tainted anymore. So you get out of Kirill's item, you get 50 gold pieces, one shrunken head, one wolf tooth,
50 gold pieces?
one werewolf plush,
Wait,
one werewolf plushie. Under the werewolf plushie, you see a tag that's under the tag you see "Is no fun, is no Blinsky."
okay.
Okay, and a potion of hill giant strength.
Potion of heal. Huh?
Of hill giant strength.
Okay.
And then Zulika was like, "Are you sure you're not coming with us, Skinnies?" "No, you need to come with them. You need to talk to Esmeralda Diavenir. You will be the proof that Bianca is actually the culprit of the loss of her leg. And we need Esmeralda Diavenir in order to locate Emil, your loved one, the real de facto leader of this cult. This cult. No, this is not a cult. This pack are dead. Don't worry about me. I will bury the dead," looking at Vincentia tearfully. "And I will find a way in order to explain myself in front of our leader." So what are you going to do next?
We'll go out. I will know. I will thank first Zulinka.
Sulika is coming with you.
Oh, okay.
She says, "I need to come with you because I need
Ano
to
explore na siya.
I need to talk to your by the way, you're a werebear."
Yeah.
And now you realize, Tanuki, you look at the werewolf bite that Bianca did on you, it started to heal. And you feel tainted. You feel like there's something different with you now. It feels like now werewolf blood also runs in your brain, your veins, your brain. It runs in your veins.
So,
You are a hybrid werebear, werewolf. I was actually worried that Silvos will get bitten during this battle. Ikaw na bitten by the werewolf. Yeah. And actually, as you start traveling, are you going to start moving ahead? Are you going to bring Kellen?
we'll bring Kellen. Ano kaya? Si
Kellen,
Kellen.
the little boy.
Yeah.
He's actually wearing, I don't know if you know the faith of Maki. You don't know what her god is?
No.
She's actually just wearing the same monk's clothing that Maki wears.
Kasi ang God.
Correct.
Pero unsa na domain yun?
More on that. Order domain. Are you going to leave now?
Yes.
As you start leaving, by the way, Skinny says, "I've noticed you've changed your shape. I actually knew that you're actually one of us to begin with." Meta, I rolled intelligence checks on him. That's why he invited you in automatically because he knows about you. And Zulika was like, "You are actually an answered prayer. I found visions of you coming in this cavern months before. And I think this is it. This is our way of recovering our den back to its former glory." And as you and Silvas, what's your plan, Silvas, in the future? Are you joining the party?
Mm.
You'll think
Going
about
the
it. We will talk about it.
I think I will, but I will be watching from afar.
Okay. So at this point, you decide to move on. You move forward. You go back. You try to go back
To the horse.
but make sure as you go back to the horses are dead. As you go back, yeah, the horse is still alive, thankfully. Because if you park the horse right in front, it would have been dead. So let's go back to the main map. As you go back headed towards the Van Richten's tower, right in this area, where's your character? As diba you traverse here,
the other side, mata.
here.
Oh.
No, so you cross the bridge. No, you traverse here. So as you approach right in front of Lake Barato, Halik starts to tell you that he will part ways. Should he? Are you going to stay for the night?
Yes, I don't think
Are
it's
you going to invite them to stay for the night?
yes, I think so because it's not safe for the children, especially that the mist is very thick.
Okay. We will travel early in the morning.
At the first break of dawn.
So as you approach with children in tow, you have 5 children, 6 children with you, extra mouths to feed, and Zulika with you. Zulika might join you for Wizard Wines. Since you brought her with you guys, she might help you. You start to go back to the tower, and that's where we're going to end our session. Yay! Thank you so much for this awesome game, guys. Thank you, Silvos, Gian, for joining us. I hope you join us soon. Very good gameplay. Very good natural 20. Very good rolls.
Not
Anyway, thanks for joining us, guys. Please like, follow, and subscribe for future content. We will continue on hopefully next week or next week. Hopefully within the month of May. Anyway, it's me again, your Dungeon Master, Drew, and see you soon, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, Gian. Bye.